This is an LDR or light dependent resistor, also known as photoresistor. This is a passive electronic component, unlike the photodiode or phototransistor, which is active component. In this, there is no PN junction as in photodiode or phototransistor. That's the difference. And when you look at the length of the leads, there is no difference in the length of the leads. In most active devices, you have positive lead longer than the negative lead. That is there in electrolytic capacitors also, where you have to differentiate between positive and negative poles, where the positive pole of an electrolytic capacitor is also having a longer lead. In capacitors, most often there is marking on the sides as well. So this is a photoresistor, and there are several uses for this. A common use is in street lights. When light falls on this resistor, the resistance decreases from maybe several mega ohms to several hundred ohms. So that rapid fall will cause switching of a circuit, so that when light falls on this device, street lights get switched off, and the other way around also. This can also be used in certain alarms like security systems. A laser light which is invisible can be focused on this like an infrared beam, and when the beam is cut by either an object or a person passing the beam, that can trigger the alarm. So there are several uses for this. The speed with which this can switch is different when light falls on it and light disappears. So these are not useful for fast systems. Rather, slightly slower systems, this is possible because of the lag period of change in resistance of this device. This is the electronic symbol used in circuits to denote a photoresistor or a light dependent resistor. Materials used in manufacturing light dependent resistor include cadmium sulphide, lead sulphide, and indium antimonide. But now there is restriction for cadmium sulphide because it is considered as a hazardous substance.